Assalamualaikum and hi. First of all, this mobile application is for premise check-in required to all citizens of Malaysia. All citizens who enter the premise need to scan the QR code as part of SOP made by government of Malaysia. This mobile application is the second version of My Sejahtera. So, our application is for Android user only. The user need to install the file given from our group, which is, as you can see in the screen, self check-in APK file. So, you need to download this file first. After the application already installed in the mobile phone of Android, the user can see the application on their phone screen. The name of application is Self-Check-In Application. When user open the application, the first page will appear in registration page. User need to click back button to go to the login page. As you can see, this is the registration page. I already have an account, so I just click cancel button. Then this is the login page, which is main page for this application. It shows welcome to self check-in with the logo of this application. To log in this application, user must register first before proceeding to the login. Click sign up button to continue with the register and fill in all the information needed to create the account. The information will be stored in Firebase database. The login requires to enter phone number and password. If the user put the wrong password, then it will show wrong password. If the user did not register the account yet, it will pop up show not register phone number and please sign up. After that, click the sign in button to go further into this application. Then I insert my phone number. And we try to add wrong password. You can see wrong password. Then I put my password. Okay, then log in. Okay, this is the homepage of Self Check-In, where it has some information on the homepage interface. The buttons are COVID-19 info, SOP rules, and QR code scanner. This is the homepage of Self Check-In, where it has some information on the homepage interface. The buttons are COVID-19 information, SOP rules, and QR code scanner. Moreover, to see the info of COVID-19, click the COVID-19 info button. Then, to see SOP rules, click the SOP rules button. After that, click the QR code scanner to scan the QR code and the data will be displayed. For logout, just click the logout switch top right up there to log out from Self Check-In application. So when I click COVID-19 info, you can get more information about COVID-19. The link web browser will be displayed the world meter about coronavirus cases, also date happen in our country Malaysia. This page is scrollable so that can see. This page is scrollable so that can view all the information on the web page. Then click back button to return to home page screen. After that, click SOP rules button to know what is the SOP rules. SOP stands for a standard operating procedure where every person must follow the SOP rules for the safety and health precaution about the COVID-19. It will show the new norms nowadays that a must wear a face mask, make sure to always hand sanitize it after touching something or can wash hand frequently, do the temperature check before entering any premises, and the most important thing is to keep the social distancing between other about 1 meters. Do not forget to follow SOP rules in this COVID-19 situation, then click the back button to return to the home page screen. Next, QR code scanner. Click QR code scanner button to start. Scan the QR code, then scan the code to get the display data from the QR code. When the QR code is open, user must follow the grid to scan them. The data will display between the logo. Let me show you how this QR code scanner functions. So click this QR code scanner and click scan, and it also has back button, so I want to scan the QR code, so I just click this scan and ready for scan your QR code. This is the result. You can see the location, capacity, which is 20/30%, date and time. Then you also can see the logout switch. And you can click the switch or click back to return to the home page. So I want to click the back button, then it will show the home page. So last but not least, this is the home page of this application. This interface is to show the logout process. To process to log out is click the logout switch, then it will show logout successful. Okay, logout successful, then the login page will appear. After that, finally, all the interface show the flow of how to use self-check-in application and how the application function. This mobile application use Firebase as storage. One must have Gmail as registration account to create Firebase. Under Firebase, we specifically use real-time database to store the data after the user enter all their personal detail. As you can see on your screen, these are the registered user in our database.